my, look at my magical new plants. These are beautiful. I just love the pink and the polka dots, so cool. You know, every time you get a plant, you need to water your plants. That way they can be big and they can grow strong. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water here out of my brand new vase. There we go. Empty that out. Nice, that is perfect. I'm going to take this like this. I'm just going to pour some water in here for my little plant. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. Okay. Oh, I probably should have split the water between the two of them because I poured all my water into that one. Empty that out really good. Okay, perfect, nice. And here I'm gonna take this water, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, there you go, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Actually, that's kind of cool. That vase, yeah, it just gives you more water. This is perfect for watering plants. I mean, I could literally go outside into my garden. Is it ever gonna end? There can't be any more.
Oh my!
That's impossible. Oh my gosh. It might seem like magic, but we know better. It's science. The Lota vase is able to pour out multiple cups of water, which seems almost impossible. But it's not, because the Lota vase was designed using science. This vase holds lots of water, but the water is divided into two chambers hidden from the audience members. When I pour the first cup of water, the inside chamber empties out into the cup. Then, when I place the vase back on the table, the water levels between the chambers become equal again. This happens because there's a little hole on the outside of the vase which allows air pressure to enter the outside chamber. The water then equalizes very quickly and you can pour another cup of water. And another, and another. This Lota vase, or should I say science vase, is an amazing trick that you can use to stump friends and family.